Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I did a swap with Lene over at Fashionably 50 something and beyond, and we're sharing our unboxing videos today. I've already opened the box, but I have not looked in the box. I want to thank Lene for reaching out to swap. Lene packs the package so beautifully with this pretty tissue paper and the party filling. I think this is called party filling. Oh my goodness, Lene. Lene's attention to detail is amazing. Look at this cute bag with Halloween decorations on it. She's created a really cute Halloween beaded tassel. This would be great on the spine of a junk journal. Isn't that the cutest? Love that. A cute beaded pen for Halloween. This is adorable, Lene. Oh my goodness. I love the theming here. She's enclosed some beautiful tags. Wow, that one is for Halloween. It's in the shape of a coffin. I love that. Look what she's made. She's made some Halloween rosettes. It looks like she's made them out of crepe paper and maybe a Halloween cupcake holder. And there's the cutest little jack-o'-lantern. It's a puffy sticker and they feel really cool. Those are fun, Lene. Oh, here she's enclosed a note. Thank you for swapping artist trading coins with me. I had a lot of fun putting this package together for you. Enjoy, Lene. Look at the cute card. I love it. It's blank on the inside, so I can send it to someone. Look at the pretty background. That's adorable. Boo to you too. Oh my word. That is so cute. A witch has fallen into her cauldron. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I love that her tutu is sticking out. Here's one of the artist trading coins that she made. It's a really cool skeleton with some orange glitter and a skull and a wood jack-o'-lantern. Those will be fun to decorate. And here is an artist trading coin. That is cute. Dressed to spook. Look at that little bow. I love it. And then this is some paper in there just to dress it up. Isn't that cute? All right, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, what cute little treat. What do you call those? Little treat toothpicks. Treat toothpicks for Halloween. So cute. Oh, what are these? Oh, they're buttons. They're so cool, and I love the paper you have in there. Oh, she put her paper scraps here. I love that. And then some embellishments for Halloween. A beaded tag and a pumpkin with the cutest bow and a witch flying against the moon. These are adorable for Halloween. Little socks that have ghosties. I'm so entertained by that. Those are gonna be fun. Okay, what's this? Okay, she put in some cute coupons, tickets, and it looks like some really cool vintage looking postcards with black cats and spookiness. These are cool. And she has shared some Halloween napkins. How cute is that? Lene, you've outdone yourself. You really have, girl. And then these are some Halloween stickers, and she's made a bag topper here. How cool is that? This is so cool. Lene, thank you for trading with me, swapping with me. You've spoiled me for sure. Be sure to go see Lene at Fashionably 50 something and beyond. Tell her I sent you. You can see what I sent to her in this swap. Until next time, keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.